Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, some of you have been requesting the Flux dance from the game Fortnite Season 7, and then some of you have been requesting the Oh Nanana challenge on TikTok. And it's actually the same dance move that is being used in the Flux dance and in the Oh Nanana dance challenge. And that dance move is called the heel toe move, also known as the happy feet move. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thanks to the ones who requested the Fortnite Flux dance and the Oh Nanana dance challenge as the first ones. Alright, so let's just get right into it so that you can bust out some Fortnite dance move, or you can take your TikTok game to the next level. Alright, so I brought out a chair, and the reason why I did that is because, in my opinion, I think the easiest way for a beginner to learn this dance move is by being able to take off some of the weight. And you can do that by just sitting down and then practice the footwork here, super slow. And then once you can do it, then you can gradually speed up. And once you can do this, you can, of course, do it without the chair. Okay, so I brought the camera down here so that you can see exactly what I'm doing with my feet. So what I want you to do is take your right foot and go up on your toes. And when I say toes, I mean the ball of your foot, this part, yeah? And then I want you to take your left and go up on your heel, yeah? So right on the toes, left on your heels. And you want to say switch, so right goes on your heel, left goes on your toes. And then you want to say switch, 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 switch. Okay, so now I want you to practice saying right on your toes, but then you want to turn your heel here to the left. Yeah, so I'm always here. I'm going whoop, back, whoop, back, whoop, back. Now, the left is saying on your heel to the left, back, left, back, left, back. Now, at the same time, you want to go to the side, back, to the side, back, to the side, back, to the side, back. Okay, so let's just try that part again. So remember, right on your toes, left on your heel, you want to go to the left side, back. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go up, down, to the left, down, to the left, down, and last time. Let's try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go boom, down, boom, down, boom, down, boom, down. Now we want to do the opposite to the right side. So you want to say right on your heel, left on your toes. You want to push them to the right side here. And then you want to go back, right side, back, right side, back, right side, back. Let's try it a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, back, right, back, right, back, right, back. One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, back, right, back, right, back, right, back. Let's try that a bit faster. So we're starting to our left side and then right side. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, back, right, back, left, back, right, back. A bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, back, right, back, left, back, right, back. One last time, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, back, right, back, left, back, right, back. Now, if you're not ready to do it without the chair, then I would recommend taking 2 chairs, and then that way you can take off some of the weight, and then you can practice, let's say, to the left side and back. So let's just try that. We go what? Back. 7, 8, we go back, left, back, left, back, left, back. Now let's try to do it to the right side. So now it's left on toes, right on heel, pushing out to the right side, back, right, back, right, back. Now let's try to do left, back, right, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, back, right, back, left, back, right, back. Let's try once more. So remember, right is on your toes, left is on heel. Going to the left side to begin with. So 7, 8. We go whoop, back, right, back, left, back, right, back. Alright, let's try it a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, back, right, back, left, back, right, back. And then just keep practicing it until you get it. And then you can do it without the chairs. Yeah, you can start to one side at a time, or you can just go directly from side to side. Alright, so once you can do this basic dance move, the heel toe, also known as the happy feet, then you can add the arms. For the Fortnite Flux, you basically just do wave, 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 wave. So you're leading with your elbows, yeah, and then the hand comes up afterwards, whoop. So elbow, hand. You want to go from side to side, yeah, and it's every time you go from one side, it switches. And for the Oh Nanana dance challenge on TikTok, you can do anything really with your arms. So you can do wa, ta, 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 or you can also do the same as Flux if you want, or you can go wa, ta, 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 whatever. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the heel toe dance move, also known as the happy feet move, which is used in the Fortnite Flux dance emote or in the Oh Nanana dance challenge on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.